7 best coding apps for your kids. Coding is a highly sought after skill that probably won't go out of demand anytime soon. And in today's competitive world, it is never too early to start coding. But programming can be quite complicated to learn even for adults. Acquainting kids with the nitty-gritty of coding requires not just teaching, but teaching in an enjoyable manner. And what better way to teach coding to kids than through games? Over the years, many coding apps have come up that are built especially for the little ones. Each app has a slightly different teaching method, but is fun and interesting for children. If you are looking for a coding app for your kid, here are some of the popular options. Lightbot, Kodable. At first glance, Lightbot looks like any other game involving a robot and lights, but the app is cleverly designed to include coding in the form of puzzles. The game's goal is simple. Kids need to guide a robot to light up some blocks, but the complexity of each level makes the game challenging yet fun. Daisy the Dinosaur. Daisy the Dinosaur is an app suitable for kids as young as 5. As the name suggests, the game includes a cute dinosaur that can be programmed. Players use drag and drop commands such as turn, draw and shrink to control Daisy's movements. Animations such as jumping and dancing keep the kids engaged while they learn coding in the form of games. Tynker. Tynker is a full-fledged programming app that has something for everyone, from novice to expert. The app starts with the fundamentals of coding, such as loops and sequences, and then eases into real-world programming languages as kids spend more time on the app. As the app progresses, users learn how to design their own games using Python, JavaScript, and other text-based programming languages. CodeSpark Academy. CodeSpark Academy turns coding into a fun, interactive activity that engages kids for hours. Through CodeSpark Academy, children not only learn programming but also develop logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Adorable characters called Foos take players on an adventure while teaching coding concepts. Using sequencing and loops, players can control their characters to collect gems, donuts, and other items. The game is divided into worlds that focus on different coding concepts. ScratchJr. The kid-friendly version of the popular MIT-developed app, ScratchJr, uses games and stories to build an interactive coding experience. Using word-free coding blocks, kids can control characters by instructing them to jump, move, or even dance. All the characters are customizable, right from the color to the sounds. Kids can also use their own images and voices to personalize the characters. There are no particular goals, so children can explore and experiment with a wide range of coding blocks to build their own stories. Grasshopper. Grasshopper is another coding app that focuses on both theory and practical coding. Developed by Google, the app is meant for older children who can grasp the knowledge of real-world coding. The app starts with a question, gauging the user's experience level. Beginners are introduced to coding with slides and short quizzes. Once kids master the theory, they can code puzzles that provide a hands-on experience. Kodable. Kodable is an app that teaches multiple programming languages with proper structuring. The interactive gameplay teaches kids the fundamentals of coding through kindergarten level and drag and drop blocks with immersive graphics. Apart from online function, the app also uses off-screen components to teach over 70 coding lessons to kids. Kodable is meant for kids till 5th grade, but beyond that, kids can move on to CodeHS, an app by the same developers. With these apps, you can make coding easy for your kids. As a first step, understand your child's requirement and then choose the right app for them. Remember, coding should not be considered boring and hard. It is similar to any skill-related hobby such as writing, singing, or sketching. When kids become habitual to seeing coding as one of their subjects early in their education, they won't consider it trouble.